Welcome children to our maths lecture, and we are studying lesson number 12, perimeter and area. The topic perimeter we have completed. Now we are dealing with area. You have studied formula to calculate area of square rectangle, right? See, the area to calculate is formula is area of square is equal to side square. Second, area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now we will learn how to find the area of a right angled triangle. That is, area of right angled triangle is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. This is the formula. What is the formula? To calculate area of a right angled triangle, half multiplied by base multiplied by height, or in short you can remember the two sides forming right angle, the product of it multiplied by half is the formula to calculate area of right angle triangle. Now we will learn practice set 46. See in your textbook. I think everyone's textbook is open. So first question I'll read for you. Practice set 46. A page of a calendar is 45 centimeter long and 26 centimeter wide. What is its area? So if the page of the calendar is 45 centimeter long and 26 centimeter wide, means what is the shape of that page? The shape comes to be rectangle. So 45 centimeter long means it is the length of that page, and 26 centimeter wide means it is the breadth of the page. That means the shape of the rectangle is shape of the page of the calendar is rectangle. So using the formula of area of rectangle, we will calculate its area. So first statement, length of page of calendar. Length of page of calendar is equal L, small l, is equal to how much? 45 centimeter. Then its breadth, wide means breadth, you can consider B equals how much? 26 centimeter. So therefore area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B, which equals 45 multiplied by 26. The answer comes to be 1170 square centimeter. So therefore the area of page of calendar is 1170 square centimeter. 1170 square centimeter is the area of the page of calendar. So first sum completed children, very simple, and these three formulas you have to write and keep somewhere in your book and learn it. Okay. Now we'll move on to second sum. I'll write practice set 46 here. Second sum. I'll read the question for you. See the sum in the book. What is the area of triangle with base 4.8 centimeter and height 3.6 centimeter? So here it is a triangle which is a right angle triangle. Okay, and its base and height is given. So you know the formula to calculate half base into height. So we will write down base is equal to 4.8 centimeter, height is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, which equals half multiplied by 4.8 multiplied by 3.6. Now (4.8) can be reduced by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. So your remaining is 2.4 multiplied by 3.6, which gives us answer as 8.64 square centimeter. So area of triangle is 8.64. Therefore, area of triangle is 8.64 square centimeter. So this is your second sum. Okay, very simple. Today we will complete 3 sums. Okay, total 5 sums are there. Okay, fine. Now we will begin the third one. Third sum. See the question in the book. What is the value of rectangular plot of land 75.5 meter long and 30.5 meter broad at the rate of rupees 1000 per square meter? Means you have to find the cost of the rectangular plot of land. Now they have said us it is a rectangular plot. Rectangular means it is the shape of the plot is rectangle. So its length and breadth is given. You have to find the total cost. So to find the total cost, children, first we have to find the area of the plot. Always remember, you have to find the area of the plot. So we know the formula of area of rectangle, length into breadth. So first we'll write down sum number 3. Length of rectangular plot of land L is equal to, how much it is given? 75.5 meter. Its breadth B is equal to 30.5 meter. So therefore, area of rectangle equals L multiplied by B, which equals 75.5 multiplied by 30.5, which gives us answer as 2302.75 square meter. 2302.75 square meter. Now you have to find the cost at the rate of rupees 1000. So therefore, cost of land at the rate rupees 1000 per square meter is equal to Whatever area you have got, that you have to multiply it by rupees 1000. That is 2302.75 multiplied by 1000. So this will give me answer as 230275 rupees. So therefore, cost of land is ₹23 lakhs 2,750 is the cost of the land. Okay. Now move on to the fourth sum. Fourth sum is seen in your book. A rectangular hall is 12 meter long and 6 meter broad. Its flooring is to be made of square tiles of side 30 centimeter. How many tiles will fit in the entire hall? How many would be required if tiles of side 15 centimeter were used? Now three questions we have to solve here. First we have to find the area of the hall. Then if the square shape tiles is 30 centimeter, then how many will be required, and the size is reduced, that is 15, then how many are required, that we have to find the answer. Okay. So first we have to find the area of the hall. Okay. The sum is a little bigger one. So these two sums, sum number 4 and 5, we will do in our next lecture. Okay children? In the next lecture I will explain it. So learn this much for today. Have fun. Thank you.